Timeless and easily recognizable, Crochet Houndstooth is a great way to bring lots of character to everyday crochet projects. With just 2 basic stitches, you can feel like a fancy lady who just walked off the Dior runway. Make your Houndstooth in classic black and white, or go off script with an equally classy pairing. Hi, I'm Tony of TL Yarn Crafts, and I can't wait to reveal the magic behind this addictive stitch. If you're ready to learn along with me, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for all the crochet inspo you can handle. Now, let's grab our hooks and get started. This video is one of many helpful tutorials to accompany the Tunisian Snowy Sampler, a gorgeous 20 block Afghan that teaches new Tunisian crochet stitches and techniques with every square. To get the row by row instructions for this square and find out how to make the entire sampler blanket, visit the link in the description. To make our Houndstooth square, we're going to need 2 colors, and we're going to start with a chain of any odd number. Now, if you've been crocheting for a while, I'm sure you've come across a stitch called the lemon peel stitch. This is just like the lemon peel, just with color changes. So for my swatch, I'm going to crochet 25 chains. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to get things started, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So this loop on the hook does not count as a stitch. First chain is right here at the base of that loop. Second chain is right here. So starting right here, I'm going to place a single crochet, insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So there's our single. And we're going to follow that with a double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over to start, find that next stitch, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. And we're going to repeat that across. So a single followed by a double in the next stitch, single in the following stitch, double in the stitch after that. So 1 stitch in each chain, just a single followed by a double. And we're going to repeat this all the way across the row. I'm reaching the end of my row here. I have 2 chains left. So a single goes in this next stitch and a double goes in the last stitch. But before I complete that double crochet, when I have just these 2 loops left, I'm going to drop my first color and grab my second color. Now I can yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. Beautiful. Chain 1, and then I'll turn my work. And for this next row, similar to the last row, we're just going to single 1, double 1 all the way across. So a single into this first stitch, double into the next stitch, single into the stitch after that, double in the following. So we place a single into our double crochets and a double into our single crochets. And that's how we get to create that lovely lemon peel stitch. And with the color changes, it comes off looking like houndstooth once you've added a bit of fabric to it. So I'm going to continue working across with my white. Meet me at the end of the row. We'll change color and do 1 more together. I'm at the end of my row again, 2 stitches left. So a single in that second to last stitch, double in the very last stitch. And we need to change color again. So I'm going to fasten off my blue from the previous row, and I'm going to bring it up and pull through, chain 1, and then we turn our work. And we're jumping right back into that stitch. So it's a very simple 1 row repeat, a single followed by a double, a single followed by a double. So we're going to repeat that, changing color every single row. So I'm going to add a little bit more fabric onto my swatch because right now it's just looking like some cute little snow-capped mountains, but we're looking for houndstooth, baby. So I'm going to add a few more rows. I want you to continue as well. So 1, change color every row. 2, we're working in single followed by doubles all the way across, starting the row with a chain 1. Keep going. I'm going to add some fabric to my swatch as well, and we'll come back and compare notes. Welcome back, friends. And this is the result of me finally going through all of the YouTube videos that I had saved on my watch later. We have this absolutely gorgeous houndstooth square. And as you can see, worked in this blue and white, it's got a very different vibe than the typical houndstooth that's worked in black and white. And you can have a lot of fun with this stitch. You're just repeating that same 1 row repeat, changing color each row. Now you're gonna be like, Tony, why didn't you weave those ends in as you go? I just think it looks way neater to weave the ends in into whatever you decide is the back side of your work after it's all done. Yes, it takes a long time. Yes, it's quite tedious, but look how pretty that's gonna be. Worth it, okay? Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video. It really makes a big difference for me, and it makes sure that I can continue doing stuff like this all the time. Also, you should subscribe because, like, we'd be good together, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.